Accepting an order on Fiverr is straightforward, as orders are automatically placed when a client purchases your gig. Here's how to handle and accept the order process. Notification of a new order. When a buyer places an order for your gig, you will receive a notification via email and on your Fiverr dashboard. Fiverr automatically accepts orders once they are made, meaning you don't need to manually accept them. View the order details. To view the new order, log into your Fiverr account and go to the Orders section by clicking on the Sales tab in the top menu and selecting Orders from the drop-down. Here, you will see all your current orders. Click on the new order to open and view the details, including the buyer's instructions, deadline, and any other specific requirements. Start working on the order. Once you review the details, begin working on the project as per the buyer's request. You can communicate with the buyer through the Fiverr messaging system if you need clarifications. Deliver the completed work. When you finish the project, click on Deliver Now in the order page, upload the required files, and submit the work for the buyer's approval.